Many gardeners ask the same question. Should potatoes be planted in holes or in rows? The truth is simple. Both methods work well. But the success of your potato crop does not depend on the method. It depends on a few important rules. Today I will show you the 5 key things that really matter when planting potatoes. Potatoes can be planted in separate holes or in long rows, also called beds. Planting in holes is often easier in small gardens. Planting in rows is usually faster when planting many potatoes. Both methods are correct. The most important thing is how you plant them. The first important rule is planting at the right time. Mid-season and late potatoes are usually planted from late April to May. The soil should be warm, not cold and not too wet. Planting too early can slow growth. The second rule is proper soil preparation. Potatoes grow best in loose, well-drained soil. Remove weeds and stones before planting. Good soil preparation helps plants grow stronger. The third rule is correct planting depth. Potatoes should be planted about 10 to 15 centimeters deep. Planting too shallow can cause potatoes to turn green. Planting too deep can delay growth. If possible, add compost or well-rotted manure. Place one potato in the prepared soil with the sprouts facing upwards. Then, carefully cover it with soil. Watering after planting is very important. The fourth rule is proper spacing. Leave about 25 to 30 centimeters between each potato. Rows should be spaced around 60 centimeters apart. Good spacing helps plants develop properly. The fifth rule is earthing up. When plants reach about 15 to 20 centimeters tall, cover the base with more soil. This protects potatoes from sunlight and helps increase the harvest. So, remember, it does not matter whether you plant potatoes in holes or in rows. What really matters is following the right rules. Personally, potatoes are one of my favorite vegetables because they are very nutritious and contain important nutrients like potassium and vitamin C.